Okay, hi Gina.
Hi Amy.
Hello, today we'll be discussing the standards 4 and 5. So overall I'm really pleased with how the lesson went. I struggled to come up with a project-based learning like the ones we discussed in our cohort.
Okay, Amy, just a second.
Yes.
Standards 4 and 5 are content knowledge
Yes.
and content knowledge and application of content, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so we do not have them in our classroom, these huge projects where I could show them in one lesson. So I put together a task where we could make a plant as a class project and made new material where children could come and build the plant themselves, which they really liked, and do it as a class project. So the students were really engaged and had a lot of fun learning about the parts of the plant. The material that I created enhanced their learning, and I provided many opportunities for them to learn about this concept, as I also showed a video. All students were able to take part in some form because I made lots of different parts, even more petals, etc. Not that everyone has to have a try every time, but as a class project, everyone should have their own part. Okay, and then standard 5, yes, showed a good example of a class project for this age group. Children had the opportunity to collaborate and complete the activity. We labelled the plant in the correct order and reviewed what plants needed to grow by actively completing the diagram. Children love being part of new materials. Yes.
Okay. All right, great. Thanks, Amy. I watched your video and I read your reflection, which you just showed us as well. So I really enjoyed the diagram and them putting parts onto the plants and the sun and the roots and the stem and the petals and all of that. I think they really enjoyed that. I popped my head in during that lesson, if you remember correctly, and I could see that they were really engaged with that. In terms of project-based learning, there are other. This was a great example, but just for future reference.
Sure.
There are other ways to do project-based learning within our classroom, and we do ongoing projects. Maybe they're just more challenging to identify.
Sure. Okay.
An example of this for the seeds would probably be planting seeds, which we've done already, and the children watch them grow. They take care of them. They collaborate as a classroom to make sure that they are taken care of. They clean the leaves of the tree, the plant. Another example could possibly be for futures making a diorama, a classroom diorama. So almost like our South America Earth Day collaborative art piece downstairs.
Sure.
The one with in the corner.
Yeah.
Where every single person or every single student in early childhood has participated in that. So you could do that as an ongoing project. But this was a great one lesson example of collaboration. So the students on that day, I know there had been a lot going on. There were a lot of disruptions during that week. So that was very evident in their challenge of maybe focusing and sitting.
Yes.
But we as teachers, we need to take into account that there'd been a lot of disruptions that week. So that's important, and I think you rolled with it quite well. I would maybe try and implement a song again when the kids were losing their focus a little bit. That grow one that you did previously. You could have maybe engaged that quickly, and that would have brought them back to focus occasionally. The screen was a little too small. The children on the side couldn't see. So if potentially you're going to do this kind of thing again where you show a short time-lapse video, I would contact IT to get the projector, because we do have the screen in the classroom. We've got the big screen, we just need the projector.
Wonderful.
But I think you displayed excellent content knowledge, and the instructional resources were good. So well done.
Thank you.